How to turn off HDR video on iPhone and Instagram. If HDR videos and photos look too bright on your iPhone or Instagram, you can change a few settings to control how HDR content is recorded and displayed. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Camera, then select Record Video. Look for HDR video and turn it off. Keep in mind, this setting only affects videos you record with your iPhone. It doesn't change how HDR videos from other people are displayed. To control HDR content on Instagram, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then look for Media Quality. Here, find Disable Display of HDR Media and turn it on. This prevents Instagram from displaying HDR media with the brighter HDR effect. Also, keep in mind that HDR settings can be different across apps, so you may need to adjust them separately on other platforms. And that's how to turn off HDR video on your iPhone and disable HDR media display on Instagram. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.